Have you ever felt the sting of being taken for granted? That moment when someone who once had your heart walks away, believing you're just another name, another face, easily replaced. If you have, then listen closely, because what comes next might just change the way you see everything. They leave, convinced they can find someone else to fill the space you occupied. They assume that your kindness, your love, your unwavering support is common, that what you gave so effortlessly can be found in someone else. But the truth, they won't find another you. They might search, at first, with confidence, thinking replacements come easy, but soon reality will set in. With every passing day, they will come to a painful realization. What they left behind was extraordinary, a gift they overlooked, a treasure they didn't cherish. And now they're left chasing shadows, looking for something that simply doesn't exist anywhere else. You weren't just a placeholder in their life. You were the one who truly cared, the one who stayed when things got hard, the one who listened, who comforted, who celebrated their victories with genuine happiness. And that kind of love isn't something people just stumble upon. It's rare and it's precious. At first, they might believe they've found someone just like you, someone who can offer the same warmth, the same depth, the same connection. But soon enough, they'll start to notice the differences, the subtle ways this new person doesn't understand them like you did, the absence of your unwavering support, the lack of your unique energy. Regret creeps in like a slow-burning fire. First, they brush it off. Maybe I just need more time, they tell themselves. But as the days turn into weeks, the weeks into months, they realize no amount of time will ever bring back what they lost. They'll search for your warmth in someone else's embrace, only to feel coldness where there was once comfort. They'll listen for your understanding in someone else's words, only to hear emptiness. And that's when the regret hits hardest. That's when they replay every moment with you, the times you stood by them, loved them without hesitation, gave them all of you. And they'll realize they didn't just lose someone, they lost you, the one who truly saw them, accepted them, loved them, flaws and all. But here's the beautiful part. While they're drowning in regret, you've already moved on, healed, grown. You've learned the most powerful truth of all. Their failure to recognize your worth was never a reflection of you, but of their own limitations. While they search for a replacement, you'll be stepping into a life free from their toxicity, free from being unappreciated, and filled with people who see your value from the very start. People who won't take you for granted, who will cherish the very things that the other person foolishly overlooked. You will rise stronger, wiser, more resilient than ever before, because the truth is, you are irreplaceable. Your love, one of a kind. Your kindness, a rare gift. And your presence, once in a lifetime. So let them search. Let them realize what they lost. Because while they're stuck in the past, you'll be thriving in the beauty of what's ahead. A life full of love, peace, and people who truly know you.